same size. Tie it together. Okay guys, now that we have this, just have to use the string to connect them all together. So tie a knot right here. Now you get the string. You need to use the 11. This is 11. This is 7 inches. The in between. Just like that. Now it's attached. Use another one. Again, put it in between. Another way you can put it sideways because now it's getting higher, so I'll put it sideways. That way it's easier to connect. Make sure this is in between.
String.
Okay guys, so this is the extension. This is gonna be on the bottom, so we'll flip it later. So this is how you're gonna connect. And then continue on to that side.
Leather and top, so we need to get more, but we have extra. So some stars, some curly stuff.
This is for the bubbles. Anywhere you want. Like that. Just put it in place. Just like this. Just stick it somewhere.
No need for tape.
If you need tape, if you need to put tape, you can. This one I made this earlier. This was like 260 cube. made it into star. I will stick it here somewhere later. But for now, I'll stick it here for now. And then we'll use a
Champagne foil balloon.
Yeah, champagne foil balloon.
Using the glue.
There's gonna be like a bubble.
Ano?
Like that, or something like that. Okay.
Swirl. Foil. Bubbles.
Okay guys, this is it. This is the finished product. It's birthday and it's Werner. There's no HBD, but it's happy birthday celebration. Hope you guys like this. And if you do, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. And thank you for watching.